Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, somebody just asked me to just go and look at the gold chart XAUUSD and maybe just share some thoughts on what's happening. So please, this is not a trading signal. This is not a trading signal. I don't do trading signals. I don't provide trading signals. So don't watch this video and jump off and run and start placing buys or sells on your chart. You will lose money, and when you lose money, you probably come back and blame me or blame whoever. So this is not a trading signal, it's just ideas. Feel free to disagree with me in the comment section below. So this video is about what I'm seeing on gold. So as I usually do, I usually start on the higher time frames, and on the higher time frames I've been bearish on gold ever since we touched this level. I've been bearish on gold. I think I've been bearish. This is on the weekly time frame. So for the first week, second week, third week, I've been bearish. And here we kind of have this blue candle, which I am currently waiting to see what's going to happen, because this is a good opportunity. If the bearish trend continues, this is a good opportunity to enter sales at the right price. So that's what I'm just on the lookout for. Higher time frames, looking out for opportunities. This might actually be an opportunity for a buy, but we'll see. You'll see. As I told you in previous videos, I trade supply and demand, support and resistance, as well as channels, whatever you want to call them. If we drop down to the daily time frame, maybe things start looking interesting a bit. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. See the links in the description box below if you're looking to download free forex robots, indicators, courses, books and stuff like that. Everything that we do on this channel is definitely for free. So see the links in the description box below. The broker that I use, many people also ask me about the broker that I use. See the link in the description box below. I've been with them for more than 5 years now, and they've not had any problems regarding deposits and withdrawals. They are one of the best brokers out there, and one of their best offers is just $5. You can open a real life trading account, which you can use to test forex robots, ideas, strategies, without putting too much money at risk at the first time. So the daily time frame, gold. This is what I am seeing on gold, the daily time frame. Now, because I am a person who trades channels as well as supply and demand, what I immediately notice here is, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, is a channel going on this way. Does it make sense? It's not a perfect channel. It's not a perfect channel. But on the daily time frame, I have something. You can see prices touched there, 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 touched there. I mean, you can do this on your own chart. I'm not trying to do things that are like spectacular, like NASA engineering or something like that. No, these are things that you can actually do on your own charts as well. On top of this, I can actually see something going on this way. It's not so perfect, but I have something going on this way, kind of. So when I drop down to my 4-hourly time frame there, let's do that. When I drop down to my 4-hourly time frame there, I'm not yet in any trades here. I'm not in any trades yet. I am hoping that price can come and we test this level around 1970, 1975. 1970, 1975, around there, then we can actually make a decision of whether we are going to push up or it's now time to drop this thing. But this will be a perfect point for a sell trade. That's the trade idea that I have. This will be the perfect area. Let's do this around this area, 1975, 1970, or 1980, if it happens. This will be a good area for start looking for sales. Sales can happen in this area here, but I don't think because of this 1950 level we are going to see any major sales here. We probably want to come around this zone here, and as you see with this channel that we drew on the daily time frame, it's also a good area for anyone who might want to be targeting sales to come to. So around this area, and zoom out a bit, I went to the hourly time frame. I do sometimes look at the hourly time frame, but I usually prefer the 4 hourly. So this is the 4 hourly time frame. So this will be my area of interest here. That's my area of interest there. That's not to say that price might not just drop just like that, or might not just spike just like that. This is purely technical analysis. That's why I said at the beginning of the video, don't rush off and start placing buys or sells because you just watched this video. This video is just technical analysis. I have not looked at fundamentals. There might be fundamentals that might come in that might actually invalidate everything that we're talking about here. So don't just take this and run off and start placing trades. But this is the area technically, this is my area of interest. I'm interested in this area 1970, 1975 for sales. If we break through and stay above here, then I know then we are probably interested in maybe coming to test this. That will be something. Gold going beyond 2100, that will be something. But what we've learned is never say never. Never say never. Never say never. Given the current economic situation in the world, the politics and everything, you can never say never. And for sales, if we actually break through here, if we come here, I'll be keen to take a sell there, and ideally the sell will be somewhere around here, the TP around 1825, 1875, 1925. That will be my targets. That will be the targets that I'll be actually looking at. But overall, if gold were to crumble, gold would certainly need to come and test this level. If gold were to crumble overall, if it were to collapse, like massive collapse on gold, ideally it would have to come and retest around 1625. So what does this mean for a person like me who loves swing trading? Sometimes you can actually take a trade here and you just go away. You leave the market to do the heavy lifting. It happens sometimes. Well, the market sometimes it gives you some money, then it pushes up and does its tricks. Sometimes you have to close out your trades early. But yeah, So somebody asked me to look at gold. That's what my idea will be on gold. That will be my idea on gold, and typically it will usually be my idea also on silver. Silver doesn't mirror gold perfectly, but whatever gold does, silver usually does follow suit. So you can count on, if gold collapses, sometimes silver is not far behind, and you can take those trades as well. Silver pays well. It's very risky. It's a small market, but per pip value, silver also pays massively. But if you get caught out on the wrong side of the market, obviously you'll be talking of another thing. So yeah, this is just a trade idea that I have on gold. I'm not in any trades at the moment. If you want, you might want to risk a buy here. If you want, you might want to risk a buy here, but my immediate target will be around 1975 there, and there I'll be waiting to see what happens, because on my higher time frames I believe gold is still somewhat bearish, but this is just purely technical ideas. Fundamentals might tell us another thing. Do you agree with what I said in this video? Do you have any other thoughts? Leave them in the comment section below. I would certainly want to hear what you guys have. Are you trading gold? Or what are you trading? Let's discuss gold in the comment section below. Guys, subscribe, like the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.